Oh, so welcome back. And today, I hope you remember we did this. We made our bird and the pipe, and yeah. So today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a flappy bird. Yeah, and this is part two. Part three. Sorry. Yeah. Last time the mouse down wasn't working, and I got my after watching my video. It was or. I kind of mistakenly used and, so we should use or. Let's just go mouse down. So remember to use or, not and, when you're adding two options. Alright, just duplicate that. Okay, I got my mistake. I wanted to show you how, like now I'm clicking my mouse and it works. The thing I really didn't like was it's so less. 2 seconds. It should be a little faster than. 1, 2. Oh my, yeah. Okay, yeah, that's Flappy Bird. Okay, good. So we did this. It is not the very complicated one, but yeah, I really am not that good in cloning. That's what you have to remember. And remember that this guy should go in the top layer. So let's send him to the front layer. Alright, good. So, today I'm gonna make the bird die as it touches the pole. The scoring system will come in the next video. Okay. To do this, we can continue either over here, but our system program may be a little slow as it's gonna become big. So let's we add in our program. For the first, to make it die, you have to add the if then statement. If then it is touching, if then it is touching, you can't add in the pipe because the pipe is actually this thing, not the clones. So yeah. If then touching, wait, come on. If then touching, not this, but if then touching color. Okay, so the color I have to map it. We're using this. Okay, if then touching color, it should be black. But I don't know which type black is that. Touching those, I'll say. It is supposed to stop all. That was very simple, I know. I can add in more, but let's see. Right. Alright. Let's go, let's go. Oh, yeah, perfect. We don't want it to stop. Uh, let's broadcast something. Let's broadcast, I'll say, a message called game over and restart. The restart thing, yeah, I won't be adding for today. That's in the other, or we even have to make a score thing. Yeah, it's gonna be a little long. Okay, restart and game over. When I receive restart and stop, the poles will be hiding. Okay, so now we even have to add in counter. Okay, so if then when I start as a clone, else, oh sorry, if then else, I think so this is right, otherwise I didn't do this. I'm doing it simultaneously with you guys. If then our variable, what? Okay, yeah, restart and game over, sorry. When I receive restart and game over, I have to make a variable, or I don't need to do that. Okay, I have to make a variable already, which is called stopping. I think so. Oh, ah, ah. What was I saying? Okay, stopping. I'll say. Um. Okay, no. It should be movement control uh, of poles. I know that's kind of long, but it's okay. So yeah, when I receive, Oh, sorry. Oh, what happened to this? Um, oh, I so movement control. When I receive game over. Oh, sorry. Why am I always doing that? Set movement controls of poles to 0 means off. Off. And movement controls to on in the start. If then movement controls equals to off, alright, sorry, if then movement controls, okay, we have to add another if then the movement controls equals to off, then it should like change x by nothing, change x by 0. Oh, sorry, no, my bad. So movement controls is on, but if it's in off, wait, what? It's in off. If then, oh, ah, beat 100 times. Let's just say if then else. If then else. I don't get it. Off, else change it. Alright, perfect, yay. Wait, what? Okay. Alright, I forgot. If then, right, perfect. Movement controls equals movement of controls equals to off bring that over here. I'll just say this down. Then it's supposed to stop this script. Alright, this script. So yeah, on, it's in on, so it'll continue. But if it's in off, delete this clone. Oh, it's deleted to clone. I get it. Why is it? It's only repeating 100 times, and I think so. What we can do is, wait for, and we even have to add an extra counter inside of this. Wait for 1,000,000 seconds. Else, wait for 0 seconds. Sorry, I'll need to use if then else. If then else, yeah. Sorry. And if then else, wait for 0 seconds. Alright, let's see. Oh, perfect. Oh, it somehow deleted it. I don't like it. Doesn't this number, what's the max number in Scratch? I really don't know. Alright, you're gonna have to, you even have to again do this. I'm hating this block. Just throw that out, right. So we even again have to add an a counter, which is again if then equals to, so that, oh, I wasn't explaining, oh, I forgot. So if then equals to off, then we have to just do the same thing. What did I do? Oh, what did I do? Nothing. So yes, then it's supposed to not delete, else it's supposed to delete it. So yes, I hope that works. I use a lot of brain of mine in this. Yeah! Alright, that spawning thing is not working. This, I'm a Dumbo. I'll keep these two stuff. Oh, what am I even doing? To use an if then else! And they will be trapped in the else instead of the if. Yeah, this if then else is really good. I love if then else. Right, on. Yes. Off, off, yeah! I hate it. I hate it. The delay makes it a little glitchy, so that's okay. Alright, good. It's because of the delay, this upper area doesn't catch, but that's okay. We even want the bird to roll and fall down. It's already 11 minutes, man. That's a lot, big time. Okay, uh, this is perfect. We made it. It's good, but we need to add something more to it. Like if then it falls and whee, it should roll continuously. To do that, I'm gonna be doing that only. Broadcast game over and start. That's when our broadcast helps us. Um, like, okay, explanation that first. We did this means like if our movement controls of poles means when the Flappy Bird touches the poles, it's off. Then stop the script. It's not going to create more clones. When I start as a clone, hide, then it's just doing that. So now what I did is movement controls of pole equals to off. Then it's supposed to change our x by 0, means not move either this side or this side, just stay still. And then else, if it's to on, else means on because something else. So, whoop, it's gonna move by -5. And then if the movement control of poles equals to off, then it's nothing. Else it's gonna delete the delete the what do I call it? No, what do I call it? It's supposed to delete the clones. Yeah. All right. We even have to add another counter on this, man. If then, huh, our movement of poles. Okay, this should not have been movement of poles. This should have been something else. Movement of poles equals to not that. Yeah, equals to off. Then it's supposed to stop this script. Then it's supposed to stop this script. Yeah. Stop this script. That's it for that counter. Yeah. And again stop the script over here so that it can't flap anymore. The script. And now let's focus on this. Like when I receive game over, it's gonna repeat until. Where's the repeat until? Yeah. Repeat until it touches the ground. Touches the ground. I should have grabbed a very nice Flappy Bird background, which I didn't use. I stole thousands of stuff, but I didn't even grab a single Flappy Bird background. Okay, so yeah, when I receive game over and start, then it's going to repeat until its Y position is equal. It is a repeat until Y. Uh, oh, what is that? Y position is -180. Okay, greater than, not until, because it's gonna like I love that. Is greater than the Y position, the already made variables over here. Y position is greater than 179, I'll say. Wait, is that a negative? Oh shoot. 181. Okay, 181. You just have to add 1. Oh, sorry, negative 181. It's gonna spin and repeat until the Y position is like greater than negative 181. Sorry, 179. I'm not getting it. I just don't need to use my brain on that. Change Y by 10 if it can. Oh, sorry, negative 10. Just check by this. 80. Okay. By 10. Let's see how high is that. Okay, it's greater than 170, I'll say. 170. Then it is supposed to spin continuously this 15 degrees. Then after that it is supposed to change its Y by -5. Let's see if that's good. Ah! Oh, okay. It is. Silly mistakes. That doesn't count actually. It's a silly mistake. But what the? What the? Lesser than, sorry, lesser than. I am getting so confused on doing this. Lesser than, not greater than, but instead lesser than. Now it should work. What the? It should stop. It's less than. Wait, that's more. Actually, I'll have to say. Wait, I don't get it. Let's just replace one of these. -170. I don't really like using these. Alright, that worked. No one can blame it. But it was kind of laggy. I don't know why. Yeah, perfect. It works. Very good. For today, my video is gonna be ending. That was my tutorial and this part 3. I think so it should fall a little fast. So yeah, that was part 3. It was about 20 minutes, not much, but yeah. So bye bye and see you in my next part.